Welcome to Math Marathon. Good morning, students. Let us see Chapter 10, Circles, Introduction. Theorem 10.1. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Theorem 10.2. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. We will be using these two theorems throughout this exercise 10.2. Let us see next question. In question 1 to question 3, choose the correct option and give justification. Question 1. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 cm and the distance of Q from the center is 25 cm. The radius of the circle is dash. Options are A. 7 cm, B. 12 cm, C. 15 cm, D. 24.5 cm. I have drawn a diagram. From a point Q to the point of tangent is 24 cm. From a point Q to the center of circle is 25 cm. Angle OPQ is 90 degree. Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. The triangle OPQ is right-angled triangle. So, we can use Pythagoras theorem. OP square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. OP square plus 576 is equal to 625. Let us subtract 576 on both sides of the equation. We get OP square is equal to 625 minus 576. OP square is equal to 49. OP square is equal to 7 square. OP is equal to 7. So, answer is option A, 7 cm. Let us see next question. In diagram, if TP and TQ are the tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ is equal to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to dash. Options are A. 60 degree, B. 70 degree, C. 80 degree, D. 90 degree. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So, angle TPO is equal to 90 degree and angle OQT is equal to 90 degree. The sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Angle PTQ plus angle TPO plus angle POQ plus angle OQT is equal to 360 degree. Angle PTQ plus 90 degree plus 110 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. Angle PTQ plus 290 degree is equal to 360 degree. Let us subtract 290 on both sides of the equation. So, angle PTQ is equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree. Angle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. So, answer is option B, 70 degree. Let us see next question. In question 1 to question 3, choose the correct option and give justification. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degrees, then angle POA is equal to dash. Option A, 50 degree. Option B, 60 degree. Option C, 70 degree. Option D, 80 degree. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a circle with center O. I have drawn PA and PB are tangents from a point P. Let us compare triangles AOP and BOP. PO is common. OA and OB are radius of circle. PA and PB are equal. Because we know that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So, triangles AOP and BOP are congruent triangles. Angle APO is equal to angle BPO. Because in congruent triangles, angles are equal. Angle APO plus angle BPO is equal to angle APB. Angle APO plus angle APO is equal to angle APB. Because angle BPO is equal to angle APO. Angle APO plus angle APO is equal to 80 degree. Because angle APB is equal to 80 degree. Twice of angle APO is equal to 80 degree. Let us divide the equation by 2. Angle APO is equal to 40 degree. We know that sum of inner angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. In triangle APO, angle APO plus angle POA plus angle OAP is equal to 180 degree. 40 degree plus angle POA plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle POA plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Let us subtract 130 on both sides of the equation. Angle POA is equal to 180 minus 130. Angle POA is equal to 50 degree. So, answer is option A, 50 degree. Let us see next question. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. AB is a diameter. CD is a tangent touches the one end of diameter. EF is also a tangent touches the other end of diameter. Proof. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. OA is perpendicular to CD. OB is perpendicular to EF. Angle OAC is equal to angle OBF is equal to 90 degree. If the alternate interior angles of two lines are equal, then the lines must be parallel. So, CD is parallel to EF. The tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Let us see next question. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Let us draw a circle with center O. Line RS is the tangent at T. Let us assume the line PT is perpendicular to RS, which does not pass through the center. Angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. OT is perpendicular to RS. Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Angle OTS is equal to 90 degree. From equation 1 and equation 2, angle OTS is equal to angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. This means OT and PT coincides. This means our assumption is incorrect. So, the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Let us see next question. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a circle. The length of a tangent is 4 cm. Distance from point A to center of circle is 5 cm. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So, triangle ABO is right-angled triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. OB square plus AB square is equal to OA square. OB square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. OB square plus 16 is equal to 25. Let us subtract 16 on both sides of the equation. OB square is equal to 25 minus 16. OB square is equal to 9. OB square is equal to 3 square. So, OB is equal to 3. So, the radius of the circle is 3 cm. Let us see next question. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn two concentric circles with radii being 3 cm and 5 cm. Consider triangle OQP and triangle ORP. OP is a common side. OQ and OR are radius of circle. Angle OPQ is 90 degree. Also, angle OPR is 90 degree. Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So, triangle OQP and triangle ORP are congruent triangles. Triangle OQP is right-angled triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. OP square plus PQ square is equal to OQ square. 3 square plus PQ square is equal to 5 square. Let us subtract 9 on both sides of the equation. We get PQ square is equal to 25 minus 9. PQ square is equal to 16. PQ square is equal to 4 square. PQ is equal to 4. QR is equal to PQ plus PR. QR is equal to PQ plus PQ. Because PR is equal to PQ. Because triangle OQP and triangle ORP are congruent triangles. QR is equal to twice of PQ. Previously, we got PQ is equal to 4. QR is equal to twice of 4. QR is equal to 8. The length of the chord is 8 cm. Let us see next question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. See picture. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB, BC, CD, and DA are tangents. We need to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. We know that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. A is an external point. AP is equal to AS. B is an external point. BP is equal to BQ. C is an external point. CR is equal to CQ. D is an external point. DR is equal to DS. Let us add all the four equations. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. From the above equation, DS has been rearranged. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. See picture. AP plus BP is AB. CR plus DR is CD. AS plus DS is AD. BQ plus CQ is BC. So, AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Let us see next question. In picture, XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. We need to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Consider triangle AOP and triangle AOC. OA is common side for both the triangles. OP and OC are radius of circle. AP and AC are equal. Because the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Triangle AOP, triangle AOC are congruent triangles. Angle AOP is equal to angle AOC. Because in congruent triangles angles are equal. Similarly, consider triangle BOQ and triangle BOC. OB is common side for both the triangles. OQ and OC are radius of the circle. BQ and BC are equal. Because the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So, triangle BOQ and triangle BOC are congruent triangles. Angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC. Because in congruent triangles, corresponding angles are equal. We need to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Previously, we got the following. Angle AOP is equal to angle AOC. Angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC. Consider the line POQ. Angle AOP plus angle AOC plus angle BOQ plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Replace angle AOP with angle AOC. Replace angle BOQ with angle BOC. Twice of angle AOC plus twice of angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Let us divide the equation by 2. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Let us see next question. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a circle with center O. B is an external point. AB is a tangent. CB is also a tangent. Supplementary angles are those angles that sum up to 180 degree. We need to prove angle ABC plus angle COA is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Angle ABC plus angle BCO plus angle COA plus angle OAB is equal to 360 degree. Angle BCO is equal to 90 degree. Also, angle OAB is equal to 90 degree. Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Angle ABC plus angle BCO plus angle COA plus angle OAB is equal to 360 degree. Angle ABC plus 90 degree plus angle COA plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. Angle ABC plus angle COA plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. Let us subtract 180 on both sides of the equation. Angle ABC plus angle COA is equal to 180 degree. Let us see next question. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is equal to CD. Because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AD is equal to BC. Because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Rhombus is a parallelogram when all four sides are equal. So, we need to prove all four sides are equal. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So, AW is equal to AZ and BW is equal to BX and CY is equal to CX and DY is equal to DZ. Let us add the above four equations. AW plus BW plus CY plus DY is equal to AZ plus BX plus CX plus DZ. I have rearranged DZ. Please see picture. AW plus BW is equal to AB. CY plus DY is equal to CD. AZ plus DZ is equal to AD. BX plus CX is equal to BC. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Using the equation 1 and equation 2, we get AB plus AB is equal to AD plus AD. Twice of AB is equal to twice of AD. Let us divide the equation by 2. AB is equal to AD. Using the equations 7, 1 and 2, we get AB is equal to AD is equal to BC is equal to CD. So, all four sides are equal. Rhombus is a parallelogram when all four sides are equal. So, the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Let us see next question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm, such that the segments BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact, D, are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. See picture. Find the sides AB and AC. E is a point of contact. F is also a point of contact. Consider triangle OEC and triangle ODC. OC is a common side for both the triangles. OE and OD are radius of the circle. Angle OEC is equal to 90 degree. And angle ODC is equal to 90 degree. Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So, triangle OEC and triangle ODC are congruent triangles. So, CD is equal to EC. Also, CD is equal to 6 cm. So, CD is equal to EC is equal to 6 cm. Similarly, triangle ODB and triangle OFB are congruent triangles. So, DB is equal to FB is equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, triangle OEA and triangle OFA are congruent triangles. So, EA is equal to FA. Let us note this length as K. So, EA is equal to FA is equal to K. In this question, we will use two different ways to calculate the area of triangle and equate them to find K. First, let us find the area of triangle using Heron's formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root of S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. S is half of perimeter of triangle. S is equal to half of AB plus BC plus CA. S is equal to half of K plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus K. On further simplification, we get S is equal to K plus 14. Let us find the area of triangle. S is K plus 14. A, B and C are sides of the triangle. A, B and C are K plus 8, 14 and K plus 6. Let us find the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to square root of K plus 14 multiplied by 6 multiplied by K multiplied by 8. Now, let us find area of triangle in a different way. Area of triangle is equal to half of base multiplied by height. Area of triangle is equal to area of triangle ABC. Triangle is split into three small triangles. Area of triangle is equal to triangle OAC plus triangle OCB plus triangle OBA. Let us find the area of three small triangles. Let us simplify further. On further simplification, we get area of triangle is equal to 4K plus 56. I have calculated the area of triangle in two different ways. Let us equate them and find K. Let us do square on both sides of the equation. K plus 14 is on both sides of the equation. We can cancel out K plus 14. Let us simplify further. Let us divide the equation by 32. K is equal to 7. AB is equal to AF plus FB. AB is equal to AF, which is K, which is 7 plus FB, which is 8. AB is equal to 15. AC is equal to AE plus EC. AC is equal to AE, which is K, which is 7 plus EC, which is 6. AC is equal to 13. The sides AB and AC are 15 cm and 13 cm. Let us see next question. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a circle with center O. I have drawn a quadrilateral ABCD circumscribing a circle. AB, BC, CD, and DA are tangents to the circle, and W, X, Y, and Z are point of contacts. Supplementary angles are those angles that sum up to 180 degrees. We need to prove angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree, or angle AOD plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Consider triangles AOW and triangle AOZ. OA is a common side for both the triangles. OW and OZ are radius of the circle. AZ and AW are equal. Because the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So, triangle AOW and triangle AOZ are congruent triangles. So, angle AOW is equal to angle AOZ. Because in congruent triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Similarly, triangle BOW and triangle BOX are congruent triangles. So, angle BOW is equal to angle BOX. Similarly, triangle COX and triangle COY are congruent triangles. So, angle COX is equal to angle COY. Similarly, triangle DOY and triangle DOZ are congruent triangles. So, angle DOY is equal to angle DOZ. The angle around the center point of the circle is 360 degree. So, angle AOW plus angle BOW plus angle BOX plus angle COX plus angle COY plus angle DOY plus angle DOZ plus angle AOZ is equal to 360 degree. We can use the equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. Angle BOX is equal to angle BOW. Angle COX is equal to angle COY. Angle DOZ is equal to angle DOY. Angle AOZ is equal to angle AOW. Twice of angle AOW plus twice of angle BOW plus twice of angle COY plus twice of angle DOY is equal to 360 degree. Let us divide the equation by 2. Angle AOW plus angle BOW plus angle COY plus angle DOY is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOW plus angle BOW is equal to angle AOB. Angle COY plus angle DOY is equal to angle COD. Angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. So, the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Thanks for watching.